Hello Sharks, I am here today to talk to you about the chemistry behind our product, Flamin Fingers. We want you to know that our product is backed by the most sound scientific data out there. To make our hand warmers, we combine 100 milliliters of distilled water and magnesium sulfate, or MgSO4. We chose magnesium sulfate as our solute because it has a desirable exothermic heat of solution of negative 91.2 kilojoules per mole. To decipher how much MgSO4 would be needed to change the temperature of water 8 to 10 degrees Celsius, we first calculated the thermal energy, or Q, for 100 grams of water at 11 degrees Celsius. Although an 8 to 10 degree change was desired, we used 11 degrees, predicting that some heat would be lost to the environment. Once we determined the Q for the water to be 4.598 kilojoules, we adjusted that value using basic stoichiometric ratios that included the molar heat of solution of MgSO4 and the molar mass of MgSO4 of 120.36 grams per mole. These calculations gave us the 6.068 grams of MgSO4 that we combined with the water to make our hand warmers. Our precise calculations did not fail us. Using coffee cup calorimetry to test our design, we measured the increase in temperature of the distilled water when 6.08 grams of MgSO4 was added. As you can see from the graph, the temperature of the water started at 22.5 degrees Celsius and raised to a constant temperature of 31.4 degrees Celsius. Thus, our goal was met since the temperature of the water was raised about 9 degrees Celsius and sustained, shown by the constant slope of the graph. However, as seen in the graph, there is a slight spike in the temperature at the beginning of the experiment. This spike is a result of adding the magnesium sulfate right where the temperature probe was placed and some touching the probe, making it slightly hotter than desired. However, our final results were not affected by this, and our hand warmers are completely supported by the best scientific data available. Thank you, Sharks, for your time, and it's time for me to get back to Lamb Laboratories.